Hey everyone, welcome back to another keto mukbang. Tonight I have got keto garlic butter noodles, meatballs, and cheese bread. Hey everyone, good to see all of you. Got another good treat here. I'm doing noodles again, but this time, like I talked in my last video, I was craving buttered noodles. And even better, it's garlic butter noodles. And then I have got grass-fed organic ground beef, very lean. And then I've got some Parmesan cheese and I've made some cheese bread. This whole meal is only 3 carbs because of the cheese bread, okay? The noodles are no carb, the meat is no carb, the Parmesan cheese is no carb, the butter is no carb. So basically I've got 3 carbs here for dinner. Unbelievable, right? And I've just been craving butter noodles ever since I could, found out that I could make noodles. So I'm super excited. Now, if you want to make this lower in fat, it's not real bad. The noodle isn't bad, Parmesan isn't bad. Of course, the butter is. So what you would do then is add, I only added a tablespoon of butter, 2 tablespoons of butter to the pan because this makes 2 servings. So you could go a little less butter if you wanted to, or you could just go without the cheese bread, then use your butter, and that'd be really your only fat that you're using then, and then go ground turkey. But this is a very lean hamburger. I think it's 94% lean, so it's really lean, plus I strained it, everything. So it's gonna be really low, low, low. So I'm excited about this. Doesn't this look good? Look at this. Yum. I've got the recipe all at the end, a slideshow, the recipe, how to make it, and I'll also put it down in my box, like I always do. I am drinking Diet 7-Up tonight with it. As long as I'm saving on carbs, I know Diet 7-Up doesn't have carbs, but I thought I would enjoy something than just water or my Powerade Zero, because this would be 0 carb. So, super excited about this. But yeah, like my last video, I was like, oh my God, I can't wait to have buttered noodles. And this time, after I cooked them, you'll see I also went back and refried them. I always do that. You don't have to. You can just, after you've boiled them and take them out, you can just go ahead and eat them. But I wanted them extra fried with the butter in them then. And then I put the garlic on it. And then at the end, I did the Parmesan cheese. Now, if you want to make it a better fat than butter, you could use olive oil. That would be really good too. And then put your garlic. It would still have kind of that creamy taste, kind of that buttery taste, you know what I mean? Using oil in place of butter, because butter is basically like an oil. So try it like that. It'd be a better fat for you. And I'd use about a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons for the whole thing if you're going to serve 2 people. Look at this. Oh my God, noodles. I was so excited when I could do noodles, and I just couldn't wait to show my best friend Monica, because that is her all-time favorite and one of her downfalls. She has not eaten it since she started keto, but she craves noodles, so she can have noodles now. Oh my God. Yum. Ooh, that is good. Oh, I was craving butter noodles for so long. I haven't had buttered noodles for over 2 years, almost 3 years. A meatball. I have done a, this was a pound of hamburger, and I split it between both me and my husband. So that is, I think, 6 ounces each. I think that's how it goes, right? Or is it, a pound is 16 ounces, so split is 8, right? 8 ounces. We have 8. 8 ounces of protein. Look at that. Yum. Too big of a bite. I just ate like half a meatball. I'm going to be showing you guys many meals with these noodles because they don't just make these noodles. I saw at the store they make spaghetti noodles. They make, I think, like an elbow macaroni noodle. So I want to do like a macaroni and cheese. I think I even seen that they even have a rice, like a fake keto rice. Like, I can't believe it, because this would be somebody doing like, that's a vegetarian, but we can have it because there's no carbs. Look at this cheese bread. Oh my God, yum. And this is garlic cheese bread. You'll see in the ingredients I added garlic to it this time. Oh, yum. Garlic and oregano. So yummy. I just can't believe, I feel like I'm cheating eating noodles. And the best part is there's no carb. Noodles with no carb? Unbelievable. Oh, it tastes so good with the Parmesan too. Garlic Parmesan butter noodles. I gotta plug my phone in. Sorry everyone, just work with me here for a second. I had to get plugged in here. As you see, I am wearing my outfit of the day. Like I said, I always like to do a nice dinner and a mukbang on the nights that I do, or the days that I do outfit of the day, even though I do videos on other days too. Always try to on that day because it's usually a Sunday for church or a Saturday. So it's a weekend. I like to make something nice to eat for me and my husband. So even though I cook good meals all week long, I just make something a little bit more special. I was like trying to pull up my glasses. I don't have any glasses on. Look at that. Oh my God, doesn't that look good? How was dinner, baby?
Well, I ate it all up, so you can just imagine.
He loves butter noodles too. Do you like that? Is that a good replacement for your butter noodles?
Very much.
And his, I did a little bit different. I added a little extra fat for him because I ran out of Parmesan cheese. So you'll see a picture at the end of both plates. His, I put some mozzarella cheese on his to melt because I wanted the Parmesan for mine, and I didn't realize I didn't have enough. I did mine, and then I went to his plate. It was empty, so and I didn't have any more left. I thought I had more. So he got mozzarella cheese on his, so it was a little higher fat, but that's okay because he's pretty much got most of his weight off, and he's a guy. Guys will shed all of that quick. And I could have had the extra cheese like that because I can have more fat because I'm in maintenance mode, but I wanted Parmesan. Oh my God, this is so good. I just cannot believe I'm eating noodles. It's like I'm dreaming or something. Because when you go that long without noodles, it seems weird to be able to eat them. It's almost like it makes you feel guilty, even though you don't have to have any guilt with this. Sorry I don't have a movie tonight. I realize on the nights that I do dinner that, you know, I always do a movie then. I just don't do one with lunch. But as I was making dinner and getting it ready, I realized I hadn't even pulled out a movie, and I already had my food set here, and I didn't want it to get cold because I have the air conditioner on, and I like sit right over it when I sit here, so I didn't want it to make my food cold. So I figured you guys would understand because I don't show the clips anyways. I just recommend movies to you guys, so. So yummy. Look at that. Cheese bread. Yum. The funny thing is that you guys haven't even seen the first video on the noodles I did. I haven't even uploaded that one yet. So I'm thinking about it right now as I'm eating this one. This is the second time I'm eating noodles, and you guys haven't even gotten the first one yet. I'll be putting that up this week coming up. I'll be putting that up for you guys or whatever, so you get that first one that I made. Yum. I am getting full. I'm not going to be able to eat this last meatball. So I'll pull that aside and I'll just eat that later. Eight ounces was a lot. Remember too, that's hamburger measured before it's been cooked. All the fat's been taken off of it. It's been drained. So it actually isn't a full pound. You have to understand that that's before. But it still was a lot of meat. Last bite. Yum. But yeah, there's different things now. Noodles and a rice that they did. I can't wait to try the rice one. I do really like these. I'm sure I'll find, you know, some of the ones that I don't like or whatever. I don't know about the rice one yet, but this tastes just like noodles to me. Last bite. Oh, just dripped. Minnie will find that. I was so hungry. I feel like I ate like a pig, like I ate so fast. But I was so hungry. And it's not a huge serving when you split it two ways. Now, a person could eat the whole bag yourself if it was just for you. You could, because it's 0 carb and it's like 1 gram of fat. That's really low in everything, calories and all that. So a person could eat the whole bag if they were hungry enough for it, but it wasn't that big of a portion. It just, there was, you know, 4 meatballs there, and that's what got me so full, and then the cheese bread. But you can go without the cheese bread and just eat the noodles. And like I said, do oil in place of it if you need a fat, or make yours with a little bit of a pizza sauce, just a little bit, you know, because that's got carbs. A little bit of that, or just add like, you know, something else like on top of it that you would really like to flavor it with, you know, instead of the butter. If you were keeping it low fat. Remember, you're gonna get to this mode, maintenance mode, and you're gonna be able to eat all this and not have to worry. But I just am showing you how great keto really is when you're in maintenance mode. So I want to show you all the great foods you can eat, and then I just show you how to lower the fat right now for you guys, eating the same exact meal, but just lowering it so you can lose weight quicker, get your weight off, and then start eating like I did. Like I do, I mean. Delicious. Yeah, I'm just gonna save that meatball. I'm full. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this mukbang. I apologize again about the movie, but I will have one next time recommended for you guys. But try these noodles out. Absolutely insane and delicious. Even can get the husband to eat them, and he loves them. So other than that, everybody take care. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and hit the notification so you won't miss any videos of mine. And other than that, I love you guys very much. God bless, take care, and we'll see each and every one of you in my very next video.